10 ways to reduce edema, swelling, in your feet. Edema occurs when fluid leaks from the small blood vessels in the body. When too much fluid is trapped in the body's tissues, it causes swelling, or edema. Any area of the body is susceptible to edema. However, the legs and feet are more prone to exhibit it. Edema can also be brought on by medications and pregnancy. It may also be the outcome of a condition like cirrhosis of the liver, congestive heart failure, kidney disease, venous insufficiency, or kidney disease. Edema could result in pain, difficulty walking, stiff muscles, stretched and itchy skin, tissue scarring, an opportunistic infection of the swollen areas, skin ulcers, inelasticity of blood vessels, joints, and muscles, as well as decreased blood circulation to the affected areas. If you have edema in the leg, you will experience pain in the leg and would have difficulty walking. Here are 10 remedies to reduce fluid in swollen legs, edema in the legs. Number 10. Keep yourself hydrated. Usually, individuals who suffer from heaviness and leg swelling make the mistake of not drinking enough water, says Dr. Marco Setti, head of vascular surgery at Humanitas Gavazzini. Instead, it is necessary to introduce fluids into the body by eating lots of vegetables and fruits, as well as drinking natural water. Therefore, the simplest way to reduce water retention, as bizarre as it may sound, is to just drink more water. The reason this works is that it prevents you from becoming dehydrated. When you lose more water than you consume, you get dehydrated. Your kidneys then conserve what is still available by reabsorbing water from urine and other sources, which results in puffiness. Therefore, the secret to reducing water retention is to drink enough water to keep hydrated. However, your body size and degree of activity will determine how much water you need to drink. Staying away from alcohol is another sound recommendation. This is due to the fact that alcohol has a dehydrating effect on the body, which causes your body to pull fluids from the blood at a higher rate than it would with other beverages. Fluids travel through your renal system, which consists of your kidneys, bladder, and ureters, among other organs. Number 9. Soak your feet in a salt bath. Epsom salt has been shown to be extremely effective in the treatment of edema. Epsom salt can help in reducing swelling at a faster rate, while relieving the pain too. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate, which can be taken up by the skin, leading to blood flow and will help reduce swelling. To prepare a salt bath, dissolve 1 cup of Epsom salt in water in the foot tub. After that, submerge your lower legs in the water for at least half an hour. You can do this Epsom salt bath therapy twice a week. Number 8. Eliminate suspected food allergies. It is possible that food allergies are to blame for the swelling you're feeling throughout your body. Dairy, soy, corn, and wheat allergies are some of the most frequent types of food allergies. You might try going without these foods for a couple of weeks and evaluating whether or not you notice a difference in how you feel during that time. Number 7. Invest in compression socks. Compression socks are designed to function by exerting steady pressure on the wearer's legs and feet. Because of this pressure, fluid does not accumulate in your legs as easily as it would otherwise. In addition, compression socks are efficient in preventing the formation of blood clots. There is a diverse selection of weights and levels of compression available for you to select from while shopping for compression socks, which can be done in either your neighborhood drug store or online. Compression socks with 12 mm to 15 mm of mercury, or 15 mm to 20 mm of mercury, should be your first choice as a general rule. Number 6. Get moving. Physical activities can help to prevent edema. When we exercise, our muscles are in motion, which will in turn encourage the healthy circulation of blood throughout the body. Being seated or standing for an excessive amount of time should be avoided as much as possible. Instead, try getting up from your seat more frequently and move around, or stretch your legs out. Number 5. Cut down on your consumption of salt. Excessive consumption of salt is harmful to one's health. It causes the body to retain fluid, which ultimately results in swelling as a consequence. Try reducing the number of processed meals you eat, such as fast food. Instead of using salt to flavor your food when you're cooking at home, use herbs and spices. Eat less salt. It will limit fluid retention, and hence reduce swelling in the feet and ankles. Sodium is crucial for maintaining the body's fluid equilibrium. But, if you eat too much salt, your body may retain too much fluid, which can cause edema and swelling. It is crucial to pay attention to the meals you eat, and the ingredients they contain if you want to cut back on your salt intake. Although not tasting salty, many manufactured foods and snacks are high in sodium. It is critical to study nutrition labels and select foods with less salt. Using fresh, complete products to prepare meals from scratch is one way to lower your salt intake. You can manage the salt content of your diet in this way. Flavor your food using herbs and spices rather than salt to give it more taste. Number 4. Raise your feet. Edema is a symptom that indicates that your body is holding on to an abnormally high amount of fluid. Elevating the affected areas in order to stimulate fluid drainage is one of the most effective home treatments for edema that affects the legs and feet. To accomplish this, you'll need to elevate your feet using a pillow or a footrest. If it is at all possible, you should try to keep your feet elevated for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Number 3. Eat foods rich in magnesium. An essential mineral is magnesium. More than 300 enzymatic activities depend on it to keep your body running smoothly. Moreover, consuming more magnesium may help in lowering water retention. Nuts, whole grains, dark chocolate, and leafy green vegetables are excellent sources of magnesium. Number 2. Eat foods rich in potassium. Potassium has a number of critical roles to play, particularly in relation to nerve, muscle, and heart health. Also, it is crucial for maintaining fluid balance in the body and reducing water retention. It functions by counteracting the effects of sodium to prevent fluid retention and edema, and by promoting urine output. Hence, maintaining a good fluid balance requires consuming a sufficient amount of potassium. Rich foods like tomatoes, avocados, sweet potatoes, and bananas. Number 1. Watch your weight. There are 2 ways that obesity frequently results in leg swelling, edema. The veins in your legs that are designed to drain fluid tend to become compressed when you are overweight. Moreover, obesity is frequently linked to a lack of exercise, which is crucial for the veins to function properly. If you are overweight, you should make sure to eat a diet that is well balanced and get plenty of exercise to burn off the extra calories you consume. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.